This is Sunforce 260 watt solar panels. I just wired them. I haven't got a chance to position them properly, so they're just laying on the ground for now. Got some temporary wiring running to the battery bank. I just went ahead and put this in this rack here that I found in the garage. So I got two marine batteries, deep cycle, 1500 watt Cobra inverter, and right now this is the charge controller showing 4 amps and 13.5 volts. So we are producing electricity right now running this old fan. So if you guys got any comments, let me know. I'm trying to run this little window air conditioner, which the compressor tries to run, but it struggles a little bit with this little inverter. So I just ordered a 2500 watt Cobra inverter and see if that would work better.